Let's make a wonderful, a hipster. Don't forget to smile while doing it. Take 5 colors of clay: blue, pink, white, yellow, and violet. Let's start with legs. Take a piece of blue clay and roll 2 middle balls. Roll into a cone with your fingers. Then pin them with your finger. And press with your fingers. You've done it! Legs are done. Now make a body. Take a piece of blue clay and roll 1 big ball. Roll it into a carrot with your hands. And make deepenings with your fingers. Great job! The body is done. Now make an eye. Take a piece of white clay and roll 1 middle ball. Awesome job! An eye is done. Next, make the pupil. Take a piece of violet clay and roll 1 little ball. Then flatten with your finger. And make a deepening with a pencil. Super! Come on! The pupil is done. Let's make a bow. Take a piece of pink clay and roll 1 middle ball. Roll a spindle with your fingers. And make a cut with a cutter. Attach them. Then take a piece of pink clay and roll 1 little ball. And flatten with your finger. Hooray! The bow is done. It's time to model a hairdo. Take a piece of pink clay and roll 14 middle balls. Then roll them into a cone with your fingers. And flatten with your finger. Attach them. Then take a piece of yellow clay and roll 12 middle balls. Then roll them into a cone with your fingers and flatten with your finger. It wasn't so difficult. Now you're Hipster. We'll make everyone smile.
It
wasn't so difficult. If you really want something, you can easily do it.